Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around this absolutely lovely two-berth end bathroom caravan. 2017 Coachman Vision Xtra 450 special edition exclusive to Broad Lane. It's available at the Broad Lane Leisure Alcester branch and it's priced at $16,995. Let me tour you around it, my mate, and also I'm going to tell you about all the extras that are included in it. So firstly, it comes with a hitch lock. On the outside, bodywork's absolutely pristine, all the graphics are lovely and smart. Access to the space under the front seats. There is a power point on the inside there, and you've got good old barbecue point. It will come with the Power Touch Evolution manual engaged motor mover. It's also fitted with Tyron run flat safety bands. So, inside. So it's a one-owner caravan from new. It's in absolutely pristine condition. It comes with the full-size hecky roof light. You've got the fixed panoramic window, as you can see. It's also got the alarm system. It came with our unique upholstery colourways, including 4 scatter cushions and 2 end bolster cushions respectively. You've got the upgrade easy glide blind system, incorporating the night and fly screens. And over the kitchen you've got the extractor fan. And lastly, to complement the overall furnishings, it came with our unique colour carpet scheme. Right, so I'm just going to lift up the seats here if I may, and just show you some of the extras that it will come with. It comes with an outdoor Revolution Sport Air 325 awning and all the associated poles, etc. And it does come with a ground sheet too. There's a leisure battery, gas bottle, aquaroll and wastemaster, Alco secure wheel lock, and as I said on the exterior it does come with a hitch lock, so it comes absolutely ready to go. So at the front end we've got some options. You can have 2 single beds or a double bed. You lift up this mechanism, slide it across that side, base cushions turn around 180 degrees, and then your back cushions in the middle, and that makes it into a double bed. Alternatively, slide the mechanism to about here, drop that base cushion or back cushion into the back, and then you've got one large single, and you retain that as the standard single. It does come with a stereo system, and it's got touch sensitive lighting. Right, so I'll swap places with Mark, and I'll just talk through the kitchen area. So a nice touch with the off-white coloured lockers, sink unit, swan neck mixer tap, fantastic storage look. Full cooker unit, again absolutely pristine, 3 gas, and you've got the electric hot plate. It's got the grill and oven. As I said earlier, you've got your extractor fan, takes out your food smells and blows in cool air. Opposite then, you'll notice the worktop here, somewhere to put your TV. It is the same height as this kitchen worktop, so it doubles up as extra preparation space. It's got the latest Truma blow heating system. It's gas or electric, or you can use it on both. Very efficient and very, very quick to warm up the van. Thetford, easy to use fridge with freezer compartment, and it's all just touch button control. And look, there's even a second cutlery drawer there. You've got this fantastic storage cupboard here. Somewhere to put your boots, wellies, etc. Right, we've got the residential style door and handle to the washroom on the back. Again, I'm going to let Mark show you the images while I talk through. You've got the loo with swivel seat, push button electric flush. You've got the wardrobe on the left. And great storage it offers too, as you can see.
And the laundry bag.
And a laundry bag. So, you've got wash basin with a great size mirror over, and you'll also see the other accessories which include the aquaroll and wastemaster, as I said earlier. Now this caravan's a one-owner caravan from new. We supplied it from new. It was serviced last year. We're offering it for sale as a complete package, including all the extras I've just mentioned to you. The Vision Xtra then is a special addition to Broad Lane, and just to recap, on the exterior you've got your barbecue point, power point, your access hatch to the space under the front seats. Comes a stand with the fixed panoramic window and the full size opening hairkey roof light. Our colourways incorporating the 4 scatter cushions, end bolsters, and also you've got the colour coordinated loose lay easy clean carpet set. And then lastly in the kitchen you've got your extractor fan, and then from a student's point of view you've also got the alarm system which is operated by the key fob. It's available to view at Broad Lane Leisure, Alcester branch. The postcode for your sat nav is B495QD. Contact 01789 763432. Finance subject to status. And on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much indeed.